Hey friends, if you encounter this problem where the Wi-Fi icon is not showing on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So in your case, if the Wi-Fi icon right here in the taskbar is not showing or is missing, then what can we do? So I've already fixed this issue and these are the fixes that help me to solve this issue. So method 1 is we need to click on the start button and then go to settings. On the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and look for troubleshoot. This one, click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button. Now running the network and internet troubleshooter, this will help you detect the problem that you are facing, and this will also give you recommendations and suggestions on how to fix the issue or the problem. So you just have to follow the suggestions and recommendations here. Then, next method, press the Windows key and R button together. Here type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. Now you will find your Wi-Fi here. So if you find your Wi-Fi, just make a right click and then select disable. Or if this is already disabled, then what you can do, right click again and then select enable. Now disabling and enabling the Wi-Fi, this is just a very simple process or a simple method, but this is one of the most effective ways on how we can fix this issue. So once you have enabled this, then your Wi-Fi will surely be back on your Windows. Now once this is done, method 3, click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on network and internet. Scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Now you have here under more settings, network reset, click on that. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you have to click on reset now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? You have to click on yes. And your PC will be restarted right after that. Then in the Windows search bar, type here services, best match, click on that. Here in the services window, you need to look for a service named WLAN autoconfig. So scroll down to W as these are arranged in alphabetical order. And here you'll find WLAN autoconfig. Right click and then select properties. Make sure the startup type is automatic. Click on stop if this is already running. And click on start again. Now once that is done, just click on apply and then click on OK. And then simply close this window. Then for the last method, in the Windows search bar, type here cmd, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on the run as administrator. Now here you need to type these commands, natsh space winsock space reset. It's natsh space winsock space reset and hit on enter. Next command, natsh space int space ip space reset. It's natsh space int space ip space reset and hit on enter. Now once done, there's a note here to restart the computer to complete this action. So just type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Now once you have restarted your Windows, then your Wi-Fi icon will surely be back. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.